friends. It's been a minute. It's been a really long minute, actually. I really wanted to make a video for you guys because I wanted to kind of explain what in the world is going on, what's happening with my channel. I am first of all, so thankful for all of you guys who are so faithful, who have enjoyed my content, and who are looking forward to the future of what my channel will become and evolve into as we're all evolving in life. It's been such a treat to have a YouTube channel, and I don't know if this happens for a lot of you guys. I feel like this season of my life, it just honestly like I could say like the last couple months, but it's been a really long few months of just, I feel like every big thing that happens in life are all happening at one time. I'm not saying that everything bad is happening. It's honestly a lot of good things have been happening, but on a personal note, that's been really hard because I've been trying to balance the responsibility of being a good family member, a good wife, a good sister, and all these things with also my hobbies and the things that I love. It's been kind of hard to get to the parks. You know what I mean? Part of that too, I think, has to do with my own motivations and my own determination. I think, and I'll be completely honest with you guys, for so many years of my life, I feel like I've been kind of the jack of all trades, master of none. I always felt like there was just this, the world is your oyster mentality, but not quite any direction on which way to go, if that makes sense. And I know that's totally a millennial thing to say. The follow your dreams mantra was something I grew up with, and now, you know, being almost 30, I'm getting to the point where I'm just like, I don't really know what I'm doing with my life. I want to be a good wife, I want to be a faithful Christian, and I want to take care of my family and do the best that I can. But in terms of what I'm good at and the other things that I'm good at and just stuff that creatively I love doing, I have no clue what I'm doing. But one thing I do know is that this YouTube channel has been such a sweet, sweet treat for me, such a blessing. I love the creative side of it, even though, totally transparent here, even though I'm not making money off of anything, I personally am very limited in what I can put financially into my hobbies because I'm living on a budget like most normal adults. It's hard sometimes to feel like I can't keep up with what the new brand of YouTube is and the new brand of content creation is, because there's just so much stuff out there, especially with theme parks and kind of the nerd fandom groups that I'm in. It can feel really overwhelming sometimes because I feel like I'm not this perfect technological person who has all of these beautiful cinematic pieces that are being produced every time I make a video. So that's hard sometimes to be motivated to fully just commit and make videos and put out videos. But all that being said, I think my biggest issue is probably consistency. And I would love nothing more than to be super consistent with this channel because I want you guys to get to know me. I want to get to know you guys, and I really want to take you with me, as I always say, when I go on adventures and when I do things, or fly all the way to Orlando. As much as that's super fun, that's just not something I can do on a whim. You know, I have to make plans for all that stuff. But with all that being said, I want to do better. I want to be consistent, and I want to thank you guys and extend my thanks to you guys. I know this is kind of weird to do like a heartfelt, I feel like one of those like apology videos. I should like be crying and telling you I'll do better, you know, I promise to do better and I'm taking a break, but that's not that's not what this is. I just really wanted to get on here and just let you guys know I'm thankful for you. I'm thankful for your patience, and I'm so touched that so many people have been just grateful for what I've been able to create, even if I don't feel like it's as perfect or polished as I want it to be, and I'm not as perfect and polished as I feel like I should be. When I am editing videos, it's extremely hard for me. It's the most humbling thing because as much as you might think, oh, well, she has a YouTube channel, she must enjoy to some degree being the center of attention. I don't at all. Actually, it makes me super uncomfortable, and it's something I'm learning and stretching in for sure with this stuff. But when I edit videos, that's when, you know, the rubber really meets the road. When I'm looking at myself over and over again, I'm hearing my voice and thinking,
is that my voice? Is that my voice?
and I do things so imperfectly all the time. But I am trying really hard to not focus on those things and to just focus on having a good time and enjoying myself. And I want to do better. I want to be more consistent. And so the future of my channel, I am really, really excited for. I think I may have to make some tweaks just because life is changing season by season. We all know how that is. And so I still want to do things and have fun and take you with me. Sometimes, not all the time. Hopefully my channel still stays mainly about the theme parks because that's been what's really fun for me. But also I have a lot of other weird nerdy hobbies, some like nostalgic things. My sister and I, we play like nostalgic games sometimes together, and I think there could be some fun content that I could come up with that. So I am really looking forward to the future of this channel. I am so grateful to you guys, if I haven't said that enough. Really, thank you so much, and thank you for watching this video. I mean, I expect that when you open this video, if it's getting too personal and it's not about theme parks, I expect there's a number of people that'll probably be like, I'm only here for the parks. And hey, I get it. I do that with YouTube channels too sometimes. But I am a real person, and I just felt like for those of you who are invested just in me and my journey here on YouTube, I wanted to be honest and have a good, heartfelt chat. So thank you so much for putting up with me, and I am so looking forward to the future. Just to give you a little glimpse of what's on the horizon, obviously we've got the Fan Fest nights going on at Universal Studios Hollywood. The 70th anniversary of the Disneyland Resort is coming up in this next month. Super stoked for that. Also, Epic Universe. I feel like I have been gone for the time when Epic Universe has been this huge hyped thing, and I'm really sad about that because Universal is this budding, blossoming, beautiful thing, and I cannot wait to see how they raise the bar for what theme parks really should be in the future. So I am super excited, looking forward to what's in store for the channel, and again, it's been amazing and such a treat to be with you guys. All right, well, I promise, I will see you soon, and I'm gonna work on being more consistent.